નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, મારી ચેનલ હેતલ પટેલમાં આપનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે.
Soap. Tools used to make it. In the soap industry, what and how much production capacity equipment is required depended on the production capacity of the soap industry to start. These equipment are of the type that can cater to the needs of the soap industry, starting from the cottage industry level to the advanced level. We have to think about what kind of equipment can be installed in the school laboratory to make soap. Assuming that 30 students are going to conduct an experiment in a school laboratory, the following equipment will be required. 1. Iron cauldron. 2. Turner and ladle. 3. Wooden baton. 4. Iron wire for cutting soap. 5. Frame to pour soap. 6. Mold for shaping soap. 7. Hydrometer. 8. Set of weighing scales 1 gram to 1000 grams. 1. Iron cauldron. Inside our house, there is an iron cauldron. The shape of the cauldron is round at the bottom. Mixtures of oil and caustic soda and water used for making soap are taken in this cauldron. The soap solution is stirred with the help of a turner. While giving heat during the saponification process, there is less chance of the soap sticking to the bottom. Iron cauldrons are made from iron sheets because the caustic soda used in soap making has less effect on iron than other metals, and iron is also cheaper than other metals. During the soaping process, 2 or more strong rings are tightly fixed on the cauldron to move the cauldron from one place to another, so that the iron cauldron filled with soap can be moved easily. Two. Turner and ladle. The main purpose of these 2 tools is to help in mixing, kneading, etc. the mixture of oil and caustic soda. The arms of turner and the ladle are kept relatively long so that our body parts are far enough away while making soap. 3. Wooden baton. After heating the oil in a pan, caustic soda lye is added. After that, the thickened soap is easily added. It is stirred with a wooden baton to thicken. Stirring is continued until the mixture becomes homogeneous. 4. Iron wire for cutting soap. The soap has to be broken into small pieces. For that, small sizes shapes are first made from large sizes. Wires are arranged in a wooden frame for this purpose. With the help of wire, the large size of soap is cut into small pieces as required. 5. Frame for pouring soap. Soap prepared in an iron cauldron does not thicken completely. Hence the frame which is used to pour the soap. It is made of wood or iron. Usually, an iron frame is used. The manufacturer designs the frame to suit himself. The soap prepared in the cauldron is poured into the frame. Properly spread and solidified, after settling it becomes a fixed shape. After cutting the soap into pieces, It is necessary to give it a fixed shape, and the manufacturer uses this mold to print the factory logo on it. 6. Mold for shaping soap. These molds are different to give different shapes, round, square, rectangle, gaudy, to the soap. In the school area, students can make soap molds in the laboratory with the help of a carpenter. Large-scale soap manufacturers use gunmetal and metal molds. Seven. Hydrometer. Caustic salts are used to make soap. But these salts are not directly mixed with the oily substance. If they are mixed like that, soap will not be formed from the sticky or oily substance. When these caustic salts are to be used in soap making, a solution of the salt should be made in pure and soft water. This solution is known as lye. The concentration of lye is determined on a plot of lye standard density and is measured with a glass hydrometer. As the amount of caustic soda, NaOH, increases within the lye, its standard density increases. And as the content of caustic soda is less in lye, its standard density is low. This standard density is measured in Böhm's degrees. This is written by the Böhm degree symbol, B. The readings on this hydrometer range from 0 degrees B to 70 degrees B. 0 degrees B is the top number. 70 degrees B is the number below. This hydrometer is dipped into the lye filled in a cylinder, and the Böhm degree of the lye is determined. Soap making lye is prepared 24 hours before making soap. 8. Weighing scale. In the practical method of school, in small as well as in large industries, the weighing scale is used to measure the exact amount of the substance used in soap.
વિડિયો જોવા બદલ આભાર. આશા છે કે તમને વિડિયો પસંદ આવ્યો હશે. તો વિડિયોને લાઈક, શેર અને ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરજો.